Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the biology. The chapter is the process. The basic life process include option A nutrition, option B respiration, option C transpiration and exhalation. Correct answer will be D. The chapter life procedure option will be D. All of the all of the. Question number second. The process of taking food into the body is called option A respiration, option B nutrition, option C exhalation, option D transpiration. The correct answer will be nutrition. Question number third. Green plants prepare their food by option A respiration, option B photosynthesis, option C digestion, option D exhalation. Correct answer will be photosynthesis. Grain plant prepare their food by the process of the photosynthesis. Question number 4. The raw materials for photosynthesis are option A oxygen and glucose, option B carbon dioxide and water, option C nitrogen and oxygen, option D water and oxygen. Correct answer will be carbon dioxide and water. Question number 5. The site of the photosynthesis in plant is option A mitochondria, option B ribosome, option C chloroplast, option D nucleus. Correct answer will be chloroplast. Question number 6. The green pigment in plant is option A hemoglobin, option B chlorophyll, option C myelin, option D keratin. Correct answer will be chlorophyll. The green pigment in the plant is chlorophyll. Option B is correct. Question number 7. The process of the breakdown of food to release energy is called. Question. The process of the breakdown of the food, breaking of food to release energy is called. Releasing energy called. Option A. Digestion. Option B. Respiration. Option C circulation, option D exhalation. Correct answer will be respiration. Question number 8. The energy currency of the cell is option A DNA, option B RNA, option C ATP, option D protein. Correct answer will be ATP. Question number 9. The organ responsible for pumping blood is option A brain, Option B, lungs. Option C, hearts. Option D, kidney. Correct answer will be C, hearts. Question number 10. Blood transports. Option A, oxygen. Option B, nutrients. Option C, waste material. Option D, all of these. Correct answer will be D. Correct answer will be all of the blood transport, oxygen, nutrients, waste materials. So that answer will be all of these. Question number 11. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are option A, veins, option B, artery, option C, capillary, option D, limbs. Correct answer will be artillery. Question number 12. The blood vessels that carry blood towards the heart are arteries, veins, capillaries, plasma. The correct answer will be B, veins. So option B is correct. Question number 13. The functional unit of kidney is neuron, nephron, alveoli, villus. Correct answer will be B, nephron. Option B is correct. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. So option B is correct. Question number 14. The removal of the waste products from the body is called respiration, digestion, excretion, circulation. Correct answer will be C, exhalation. Question number 15. The exchange of gases in lungs takes place in bronchi, trachea, alveoli, diaphragm. Correct answer will be alveoli. The plant's transport of water occurs through option A, phloem, option B, xylem, option C, stomata, option D, roots. Correct answer will be xylem. Question number 17. Food is transported in plants through xylem, phloem, stomata, leaves. The correct answer will be phloem. Option B is correct. Question number 18. The process of loss of water vapor from plants is called option A, respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis, exhalation. The correct answer will be transpiration. The process of loss of water vapor from plants is called transpiration. Option B is correct. Question number 19. Human digesting system starts from stomach, mouth, small intestine, large intestine. Human digesting system starts from mouth. Option B is correct. Last question, 20 question. Bile juice is produced by pancreas, liver, kidney, stomach. The correct answer will be liver. Option B is correct. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.